Route 9, Jackson, Dexter. From the Blake Transit Center, the stand is on 4th Ave near Liberty Street. This is considered a loop run, therefore your fare box should always remain on inbound. From the stand, we're going to continue north on 4th Avenue. Crossing Liberty Street. At the stoplight is East Washington Street. We want to continue straight through. Continuing through East Washington. At the next traffic light is Huron. We want to make a left turn onto East Huron. Immediately after turn, there is a stop. We're going to proceed west on East Huron. Crossing 4th. Stop approaching. This is a shared stop with the 18, the outbound 609, as well as the Chelsea Express. Passing first. Stop approaching at the Delonis Center, Washtenaw County Service Center. Very popular destination. Stop approaching near the lighted crosswalk. Remember to adhere to all of Ann Arbor's crosswalk rules. Whenever a pedestrian is in a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way. Approaching 7th Street at the traffic light. Approaching. There's a stop approaching. At the traffic light, there's a fork in the road. We're going to veer to the right onto Dexter. Stop approaching. So stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. On the left, we have Veterans Memorial Park. Very popular destination. On right, we have the Aldi grocery store, which is a very popular destination. This stop here is in a turn lane, so after you service the stop, you must safely get back over to the left, and we're going to cross the traffic light, which is Maple Street. Here at Dexter and Maple, this is a time point. Continuing across Maple, continuing on Dexter Road, stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the traffic light, it's Wagner. We will make our left turn. After we make our left turn, let's stop here. That is the only serviceable stop on Wagner. Our next stop is after the left turn at the traffic light. The traffic light is Jackson. We'll make our left turn at the traffic light. Also at the next stop is where we make our wave connection for the wave bus. Please reference your run guide and your run sheet for the according times. Approaching Jackson Road, we're going to make our left turn. This is a time point. Stop approaching on the right side. Continuing eastwardly on Jackson Road. Stop approaching. There's a stop approaching. On the left, we have the famed Weber Hotel and Restaurant. Stop approaching. approaching the Westgate shopping area. Stop approaching. We're going to continue straight through the intersection. The traffic light is West Stadium. Continuing across West Stadium. Stop approaching. The right lane ends when it veers to the left. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Traffic light, we just want to simply veer to the right. Stop approaching. We're now on East Huron Street. We're going to continue on. Stop approaching. At stoplight, we have North 7th Street and South 7th Street. This is a turning point. Continuing on East Huron, stop approaching. Stop approaching. Getting set to cross Main Street. You have the Washtenaw County Courthouse on your left-hand side. Continuing across 4th Street. At the traffic light is 5th. We want to make a right turn. Please make certain that you check your run sheet to see what you are properly through routed with and adjust your approach accordingly as you enter the Blake Transit Center area. Liberty. You'll see the Blake Transit Center building and coming up on your right side. We're gonna park on the 9 stand, so we're gonna make a right on Williams. Then we're gonna make a right on 4th Avenue. We're gonna pull back to the 9 stand. This concludes the 9 Jackson Dexter here at the Blake Transit Center.